Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, let's look at a relaxing day at home with a couple, Ken and Lily. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story. Ken and Lily clean the windows in their home, and they also fix a button on Ken's shirt. Don't worry, I'll speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Listen carefully so you can find the answer. This helps you understand English better. Now, here is today's question. Cloudy days or sunny days? Which is better for cleaning windows? You'll hear the answer in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. Writing your answer in English will make your skills grow faster. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Lily. Look at the windows.
Good morning, Ken. They look a little dirty.
Yes, I want to clean them today.
That is a good idea. The sun comes in, but the glass is not clear.
Right. We can see the garden better with clean windows.
Look outside. The sky is gray today. It is cloudy.
I know. And a cloudy day is the best day to clean windows.
Really? Why is that? I always think a sunny day is better.
On a sunny day, the water dries too fast, then it leaves marks on the glass.
Oh, I see. So the glass looks dirty again even after we clean it.
Exactly. On a cloudy day, the water stays wet longer, so we can clean it well.
That is a good tip. I did not know that.
My mother taught me. She cleaned the windows every weekend.
Did she clean them the same way, with a cloth?
Yes, she always used a soft cloth and clean water.
That is a nice memory. Cleaning can be a family thing.
I think so. It feels good to make the house clean.
Nice. So today is the perfect day. Let us start now.
Good. First, we need the window cleaner. It should be under the sink.
Let me look. Here is a bottle. Is this the one?
Let me see. Oh no, the bottle is empty. We used it all last time.
Really? Then we cannot clean the glass. What about a cloth?
We need a soft cloth too. Let me check this box.
Is there a cloth inside?
No, the box is empty too. We have no cleaner and no cloth.
So we cannot start. We need to buy them first.
You are right. There is a small shop near the station.
Oh yes, that shop sells many things. They have cleaning items too.
Let us go there and buy a cleaner and a new cloth.
Good plan. It is only a short walk, right?
Yes, about 5 minutes. Let us go now, before it rains.
A cloudy day is fine for cleaning, but a rainy day is not.
True. Let me get my wallet and we can go.
Here we are. This shop is bigger inside than I thought.
Yes, look, there are so many things here. Where is the cleaning area?
Maybe over there. I can see brushes and soap on that shelf.
Let us go and look. Here, this is the right place.
Good. Here is the window cleaner, this blue bottle.
Let me read it. For glass and windows. This is the one we need.
Great. Now we need a cloth too. Soft cloths are right here.
This one is soft. It is good for glass. It will not leave lines.
Let us take two, one to clean and one to dry.
These cloths are cheap too. They are a good price.
Yes, we can keep one for the table later.
Good thinking. Okay, we have the cleaner and 2 cloths.
Wait, Ken. Turn around for a second. Let me see your shirt.
My shirt? Why? Is something wrong?
A button is loose. Look, near the bottom. Only one thread is holding it.
Oh, you were right. The button is almost falling off.
If you wear it like this, you will lose the button very soon.
That is true. This is my favorite old shirt. I do not want to lose it.
Then let us fix it today. Do you have a needle and thread at home?
I'm not sure. I think my old sewing box is empty.
Then let us buy a small sewing set here. It is cheap and easy.
Good idea. Where do they sell it?
Sewing things are usually near the home items. Let me look for a sign.
I see one. It says home and sewing. It is that way.
Let us go. Here, look, small sewing sets.
This one has needles, thread, and some small buttons too.
Perfect. It even has white thread. Your shirt buttons are white.
Nice. Then we can fix the button at home today.
Yes, after we clean the windows, we can sew the button.
Good plan. Let us pay for everything now.
Okay, the checkout is near the door. Let us go. Hello. We would like to buy these things, please.
Hello. Of course. Let me see what you have.
A window cleaner, 2 soft cloths, and 1 sewing set.
Good choice. This window cleaner is very popular. It works well on glass.
That is good. The old cleaner bottle was empty this morning.
Ah, that happens. This bottle is a big one. It will last a long time.
Good. We do not want to come back too soon.
Well, you are always welcome here.
That is good to hear. We want to clean our windows today.
A nice plan for a quiet day. Are you cleaning the whole house?
Just the windows for now. They were a little dirty.
I understand. Clean windows make a room feel much brighter.
Yes, that is true. And the sewing set is for a button.
Oh, a loose button. That happens to everyone.
My friend has an old shirt. One button is almost off.
This set is good for that. It has needles, thread, and small buttons.
Perfect. The white thread will match his shirt.
Great. Do you know how to sew a button on?
A little. My friend says he knows a good way to make it strong.
That is nice. A button can stay on for years if you do it well.
I hope so. So how much is everything together?
Let me add it up. The cleaner, 2 cloths, and the sewing set. That is $12.50.
Here is $15.
Thank you. And here is your change, $2.50.
Thank you very much.
Do you need a bag for these?
Yes, please. A small bag is fine.
Here you are. Everything is inside.
Thank you. You were very helpful.
My pleasure. Good luck with your cleaning and your button.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Please come again soon.
Now, let's pause for a moment. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is window, meaning the glass part of a wall that lets in light. For example, please open the window. The second word is wipe, meaning to clean something by moving a cloth over it. For example, I wipe the table after dinner. The third word
is button, meaning a small round thing that holds your clothes closed. For example, the button on my shirt fell off. The fourth word is needle, meaning a thin metal stick with a small hole used for sewing. For example, I put the thread through the needle. The fifth word is thread, meaning a long, thin string used for sewing. For example, I need white thread for this shirt.
Nice work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at home.
We are back. Now we have everything we need.
Yes, let us start with the big window in the living room.
Okay, I will open the cleaner. Here, the bottle is ready.
First, we spray a little on the glass, not too much.
Like this, I will spray the top part of the window.
Good. Now we wipe it. To wipe means to clean it with a cloth, like this.
I see. So I move the cloth across the glass, slowly.
Yes, wipe from the top to the bottom, then the water goes down.
Oh, the glass is getting clear already. This cloth is very soft.
Right. A soft cloth does not leave small lines on the window.
The window looks much better now. I can see the garden clearly.
Yes, look, a bird is on the tree. We could not see it before.
You are right. The dirty glass hid it. Now everything looks fresh.
Here is a small tip. After the cloth, you can wipe again with newspaper.
Newspaper? The old paper that we read?
Yes, dry newspaper takes off the last water. It leaves no marks.
That is surprising. Let me try it. Wow, the glass is shining now.
See? My mother used this way too. The window looks like new glass.
It really does. The light comes in so nicely now.
A window is like the eye of a house. A clean window changes the whole room.
I agree. The room feels brighter and warmer already.
When the glass is clear, the garden outside looks better too.
That is true. Everything looks fresh now.
Let us do the other windows the same way.
Okay, I will spray and you wipe with the newspaper.
Good teamwork. We will finish quickly like this.
This is fun. Cleaning is nicer when we do it together.
I think so too. There, all the windows are clean now.
They look great. The house feels like a new home.
Yes, a clean window is a small thing, but it makes me happy.
Me too. Now the next job is your shirt button.
Right, let us sit at the table and fix it.
Okay, I will bring the sewing set. Here is the sewing set. Let me open it for you.
Thank you. First, we need a needle and some thread.
This thin metal stick is the needle, right? It has a small hole at the top.
Yes, the small hole is for the thread. We put the thread through it.
I see. So the needle is the metal part and the thread is the soft string.
Exactly. Let me put the thread through the hole. There, it is in.
That was fast. The hole is so small. I think it is hard to do.
It is hard at first. Some people use a thicker thread for big holes.
But white thread is thin. It will look nice on your shirt.
Yes, thin thread is good for small buttons like this. Now I tie a knot at the end of the thread.
A knot so the thread does not come out of the cloth.
Good. Now, where is the button? Here, near the bottom of the shirt.
Be careful. The button is loose. Do not drop it.
I have it. Now I push the needle up through the small hole in the button.
up and down through the holes in the button. You do it slowly.
Yes, I go through each hole a few times. This makes the button strong.
It already looks better than before. The button is not loose now.
Here's a good tip. Before the last step, I wrap the thread under the button.
You wrap it around. How many times?
About 4 or 5 times. It makes the thread tight under the button.
And that makes the button stronger.
Yes, the button will not fall off easily again.
That is a smart way. Did your mother teach you this too?
She did. She taught me many small things like this.
Your mother taught you a lot of good things.
She did. Now, the last step. I push the needle to the back and tie a knot.
And then we cut the extra thread.
Right. Done. The button is fixed. Try to pull it softly.
It is very strong now. The shirt looks good again.
Thank you. Now I can wear my favorite shirt for a long time.
And you do not have to buy a new one. What a nice day. The windows are clean and your shirt is fixed.
Yes, it was a small day, but a good one.
I learned many things today. We clean windows on a cloudy day.
And we wipe with newspaper for no marks.
And we wrap the thread under the button to make it strong.
We did all of it with simple things from a small shop.
That is true. We did not need much. Just a cleaner, a cloth, and a sewing set.
And a little time together. That is the best part.
I agree. Maybe next weekend we can clean something else together.
Good idea. Maybe the kitchen or the front door.
Yes, we can make one small thing better each weekend.
I like that plan. A little work each time keeps the home nice.
And we learn something new every time, like today.
That is right. Now let us sit by the clean window and have some tea.
Good idea. The garden looks so nice through the clear glass.
A clean window, a fixed shirt, and warm tea. A perfect end to a simple day.
Yes, small jobs at home can make us happy. How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask today's question one more time. Cloudy days or sunny days? Which is better for cleaning windows? You heard the answer in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Writing in English like this will help your skills grow faster. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I'll keep making videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.